The majority of salmon farms off the BC coast are infected with the piscine orthoreovirus, a fact the industry admits to. It can cause heart and muscle inflammation in farmed Atlantic salmon, but it affects wild Pacific salmon even more severely.
DFO's own researcher, Dr. Christy Miller and Emiliano De Sico from Pacific Salmon Foundation, found that when the virus gets into Chinook salmon cells, it causes them to explode,
which is toxic to the liver and kidneys. The virus gets into the ocean when young infected fish are transferred from hatcheries to open net fish farms. There's a law in place that's supposed to keep this from happening.
You can't put a fish that's infected with a disease agent into the water if it appears to be a threat to wild salmon.
And yet, according to a recent federal court ruling, the ministry responsible for protecting our wild salmon has not been screening farm salmon for the virus before they're transferred to ocean pens.
In our opinion, this is a rebuke of the minister's recklessness with managing fisheries in BC and across Canada.
The response by the Minister of Fisheries and Oceans? The Government of Canada understands that a strong science-based approach to regulating the aquaculture industry is essential, and that is why we have and will continue to conduct extensive research.
The Minister of Fisheries is saying they're going to do more research, but I would suggest that he follow the law while he's doing the research, and that means screening for piscine virus.
This is the second time the ministry has been taken to court by Eco-Justice and Alexandra Morton and lost over not testing for infectious viruses.
I'm very concerned that the Minister of Fisheries once again is going to ignore the court and is going to refuse to screen for this virus.
The ministry has 4 months to comply or appeal the decision. Linda Aylesworth, Global News.